Hey, Mike Phillips, Autogeek.com. Guess what's coming up? It's the Southern Detailers Conference, one of the biggest events to take place. Everyone's going to be there. And I'm going to be on center stage starting at 10 a.m. for the first interview of that day. And then after that, starting at 11:30, I've got 5 classes, including a class on glass polishing, how to remove scratches in glass, and also topical glass polishing, boat detailing, how to machine sand gel coat, bring back to life, how to polish it crystal clear and put a ceramic coating on it, wet sanding my machine using 3M Trizac. I will also be going over the secret to cutting down the time for your correction work by reducing steps and speeding up the process. And the last class I'm teaching is how to machine clean tires and install a tire coating. All the classes are going to be educational, and most of all, I'm going to do my best to make them a lot of fun. Hope to see you at Southern Detailers Conference. That's in Lexington, Kentucky, June 5th and June 6th. See you there.